Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change language in Roblox. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and type in roblox.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Roblox. Or instead of that, you can also open the Roblox application if you want. Right now you can see over here all the text are being displayed in English. So if you want to change the language, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option for settings. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings from here. You'll be able to find various options like account info, security, privacy and content restrictions, notifications, etc. Make sure account info option is selected. Now in this interface, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for language. It is right below the option for gender and right above the option for theme. So in the language option, right now you can see over here, English is selected. So simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find various languages over here. Click on the language of your choice. Now once you do that, you can see over here your language will be changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the language. So that is how you change language in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.